Namaste, Dr. Hema. I'm very glad and thankful for your time giving me to this interview. We are now on Ayurvedic Hospital and Resort Center of Somaturam Group, and Dr. Hema is the medical main director of this hospital. We would like to explain today and talk some words about Ayurvedic system and how Ayurveda can support human being, Western patient in our everyday life and also in certain diseases. How we can help our patient.
Namaste, Edita. You know, Ayurveda is an Indian system of medicine. So it's a very ancient system. It originated almost 5,000 years ago.
Yeah.
The word meaning Ayurveda is the combination of two words. Ayu is life and Veda is knowledge. So it's the science or knowledge of life. So then I define Ayurveda in Sanskrit. Hita hidam sukham dukkham ayus tasya hida hidam manancha tacha yatroktam ayurveda sa uchyade. That means what all things are good for our body, for life, what all things are bad for our lives, then what all things make us happy, what all things makes us unhappy, and what are appropriate to us, what are not appropriate to us, that is inappropriate to us, and the lifespan where to explain, that is Ayurveda. So with our lifestyle, our food intake, that can make sometimes good things to us, sometimes bad things to us, sometimes that can make happy us, sometimes unhappy, and that can fix the ayus, that is the span of life.
Yes, then Ayurveda gives us instruction how to be healthy and how to be happy all our life. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
According to Ayurveda, certain principles are there. So, according to Ayurveda, every living and non-living organisms are made up of 5 elements. They are air, space, fire, earth and water. So, these 5 elements in our body exist as 3 doshas. They are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So, Vata is responsible for every movement in our body. Pitta is responsible for the digestion, temperature regulation, the metabolism and all. And the Kapha is responsible for giving structure and shape to our body. So, it's the energy part of the body is Kapha. So, the thing we are doing, the mode of treatment here is to balance these doshas. Vata, Pitta and Kapha. If we are balancing these 3 doshas, we are keeping it in equilibrium, then the body is said to be in a healthy condition. So, but
balance.
But if there is an imbalance in these doshas, if the doshas are vitiated because of the wrong way of lifestyle, the eating wrong way, this will vitiate the doshas and that make the person sick. So, the mode of treatment is to balance the Vata, Pitta, Kapha doshas.
I like it to hear it. I understand a lot in this topic, but it is also very interesting to observe how these doshas are different in different doshas. How it's the brain speciality of Vata brain, Pitta brain, and the Kapha brain. Can we
Vata brain, we have lot of thoughts. We are nervous always. We don't keep quiet, always movements, moving, thinking a lot, not sleeping good. All those things are the characteristics of the Vata brain. In Pitta, more emotions, the mood variations. Sometimes they, in some cases, the mood will be elevated. So, sometimes it may be depressed. Mood swings are there, emotions, that is crying, sad mood, and that is related to the Pitta dosha, Pitta brain. And
Wow.
Kapha, you know, always in a gloomy, you know,
Stable.
they will not even, it's a, you know, it's a deep depression, we can say.
Oh,
That is the Kapha brain.
Kapha brain. Okay, thank you very much.